Say ASMR.
ASMR.
No, do you even say the whole letter?
ASRM.
Look at this carousel. Oops, sorry, I flat tired you. My bad. Oh, that's her. Here we are at Multnomah Falls. It's cold. Here's my microphone.
Hi.
The waterfall is quite full. So beautiful. Very nice. Okay, I put my microphone on my shirt. We're at Multnomah Falls. I like these nettings.
Oh yeah.
Is this to prevent like landslide?
Yeah.
That makes sense. ASMR. My face is getting wet. It's really wet. It's really wet. Hood's so wet. It's very misty. I feel like I've like getting like a shower kind of. This is kind of scary. Like you could definitely like if your friend was mad at you, they could definitely push you off of this.
Yep, it's too funny.
And then we cut. And then we cut. Wow. Cilantro lime rice, homemade. Eman, are you a vampire? My ears are nice and warm.
I got strawberry balsamic and what? Is that what it's called? Strawberry balsamic and
Yeah.
pepper?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. And then just a spiked eggnog.
Yeah. And then I just got a honey lavender. I'm boring. And we got pear and blue cheese ice cream to take home. We just got coffee and now we're gonna go through a beautiful scenic drive all the way to Cannon Beach. Yeah. Delicious. 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 Delicious.
be a river coming through.
Look at that rock. So beautiful. Oh, that's just your head. Happy Merry Christmas Eve! And we're going to Kalmudang right now. Again. And then we're gonna go to Powell's bookstore and, I don't know, mosey around the area. Maybe I'll buy something from Lululemon. This is our Tom Yum. Tom Yum noodles. Tom Yum noodles. Tom Yum noodles. This is Audrey's favorite noodles. Tom Yum.
It is my favorite.
Tom Yum noodles.